3 healthy foods that may be affecting your energy after 50. I will show you from the least concerning to the one that deserves the most attention. And number 3 is the one you probably eat every single day, thinking it is good for you. Which of these 3 do you think is the worst? Stay until the end to find out. And tell me in the comments. According to research using data from thousands of American adults, higher consumption of ultra-processed foods was associated with markers of faster biological aging. A study published in Age and Aging using NHANES data examined this relationship in adults over 50. This content is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice. Always consult your physician before changing your diet. You may recognize this pattern. You wake up after a full night of sleep, but your energy does not feel the same. By the afternoon, concentration becomes harder. Your body feels heavier. And you start wondering, is this just aging, or is something in your daily routine contributing? If you are over 50, you have probably already made the right swaps. You traded white bread for whole wheat. You replaced butter with vegetable oil. You chose low-fat yogurt instead of full-fat. And still, your energy keeps dropping. The 2 p.m. crash, the brain fog, the heavy legs. Here's the truth. Some foods sold as healthy may be connected with changes researchers are studying in the aging process. Today, I will reveal all 3, from the least concerning to the one that deserves the most attention. Number 1. Ultra-processed grain products. Many people choose these believing they are making a healthier decision. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition examined data from over 22,000 participants and found that diets high in ultra-processed foods, including some ultra-processed grain-based products, were associated with accelerated biological aging. When you eat these foods, your pancreas releases insulin, and blood glucose levels may rise and fall more quickly after some meals, which some people experience as changes in energy. Number 2. How we use dietary fats. The science is more complex than internet debates suggest. A comprehensive global meta-analysis published in the Journal of Translational Medicine, analyzing 150 cohorts, examined the health effects of omega-6 fatty acids found in oils like soybean, corn, and sunflower. The relationship between omega-6 and inflammation continues to be studied. What the evidence does show is that overall dietary fatty acid balance remains an active area of research. Number 3. Highly processed health products. The label may say healthy. The ingredient list can reveal how different the product is from its original form. The same Age and Aging study, along with data from the Molisani cohort published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, found that ultra-processed foods, including some packaged low-fat and diet products that may contain multiple industrial ingredients, are associated with markers of accelerated biological aging. This is the one you eat every day thinking it is healthy, and it deserves particular attention. But here is the part many people overlook. The biggest difference is not always the label on the front of the package. It is what happens during processing. Now, I will show you 3 simple swaps that research suggests can help. Swap number 1. Moving away from highly processed breakfast options. Some highly processed breakfast products are designed to be rapidly digested, which may influence how quickly glucose enters the bloodstream. Instead, consider choosing minimally processed options that provide intact fibers alongside a reliable source of protein. This structure delays digestion, supporting a more gradual release of glucose into your bloodstream, which may help support steadier energy levels throughout the morning. It is the simplest swap to make. Swap number 2. Rethinking your primary cooking fat. Some refined oils undergo industrial processing, while extra virgin olive oil is produced through mechanical pressing and contains naturally occurring phenolic compounds. Mechanistic research, including a recent narrative review, suggests that these phenolic compounds may support mitochondrial membrane function, which could help reduce the oxidative burden on your cells over time. Swap number 3. Prioritize foods closer to their original form, especially in the dairy aisle. When choosing dairy products, the focus should not only be the fat content, but also the overall quality and processing level of the product. Observational studies, including the Framingham Offspring Study, have found that natural yogurt consumption is associated with lower levels of certain inflammation markers. Fermented dairy options such as yogurt have been studied for their relationship with dietary quality and inflammation markers. The reason this topic is confusing is simple. Food marketing often focuses on one feature of a product: low fat, natural, high protein, or heart healthy, while nutrition research usually looks at the entire dietary pattern. One area where recent research has challenged common assumptions involves dietary fats. A systematic review and meta-analysis of randomized controlled trials, published in the JMA Journal, re-examined the evidence on saturated fat restriction. The conclusion? The available evidence from randomized controlled trials does not support saturated fat restriction for the prevention of cardiovascular disease. Separately, other research suggests that dietary patterns rich in foods such as olive oil, avocado, and fish are associated with better metabolic health markers. Comment number 1, 2, or 3. Which food category surprised you the most? I read every single comment, and your story might help someone else in this community. In the next video, we will explore one everyday food researchers are studying for its connection with healthy aging and energy metabolism. Subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss it. I will see you in the next one.